YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delana Kagan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to lay a frontal wig. So I have the steps posted. They're pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll go right into the video. So here, step 3, I am cutting my ears out to make it easier to put the Got2b glue on there. Rub it on in, make sure everything is in place. And here, step 4, I am just going to blow dry that down. Step 5, we're just gonna go ahead and cut that. Cut it as close as you can to the hairline. Just make sure you do not cut your hairline. Apply more glue if need be. So step 6, I am just putting makeup that is my skin color on the front and just down the middle, just because I have a middle part. Step 6, here we're going to apply the wig, and I have a 24-inch Ash Blonde Synthetic Wig. This was a trial, so that's why I got a synthetic wig. Step 7, we're going to go ahead and glue her down, so just go ahead and put more glue on the hairline. Step 8, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put her in place. So make sure she is just above the hairline. Make sure the glue is sticking. Put extra glue if need be. And I'm just applying extra glue here just to make sure she is secure, okay? So here, I'm just combing it out the way. I put some of the Got2b glue on just the front of it, and I'm just combing it out the way. So here is step 9. Just go ahead and blow dry her down and make sure she is nice and stuck, okay? Can't have no half wigs hanging off our heads, ladies, okay? Make sure she is secure, okay? So here, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the remaining lace that's off. That is step 10. Get as close to the hairline as you possibly can to make it look as natural as possible, okay? Okay, and here we are, step 11. Tie those edges down. Make sure everything is nice and slick and look like it's just coming right out of your roots. And last, this is after I took off my scarf. Look at that. You don't see any lace on there. But what I didn't do is wipe off the remaining glue with alcohol. So ladies, make sure you do that. Here you can see that I did do that. All the remaining glue was off. I just used alcohol on a cotton swab and just wiped all the excess glue that was off. And here I'm just showing you how it looks from a different angle. And again, this is a synthetic wig. It was just a trial just to make sure that I did it so I wouldn't just waste my money. And yeah, that is it. That's the back of it. 24 inches, Ash Blonde. Thank you guys for watching.